A 104-year-old grandma was beaten to death on Wednesday in prison in the Somali region of Ethiopia. The body of Anbaro Sheikh Daib was given to the family today. She was suffering from Alzheimer's. According to Jamal Diriye Khalif, chairman of the Somali Activist Network, Anbaro Sheikh Daib and her son Ali Abdullahi Fahiye, 83, was imprisoned by the order of the president of the region, Abdi Muhammad Omar, also known as Abdi Ile, in a bid to silence their activist son who lives in London. Her grandson blames the regional government for her death. Abdurashid Ali Shua wrote on his Facebook that his grandmother, Anbaro Sheikh Daib, has passed away today after being tortured on orders of the Somali region president, Abdi Muhammad Omar, also known as Abdi Ile. Shua lives in London and is a critic of the Somali regional government. Khalif says the regional government targets and tortures families of activists who live abroad to silence them. He also said he worries for the fate of the 83-year-old father of the activist, whom he said is being tortured in prison. According to Khalif, interrogators have been coercing the father to call his son in London and tell him to stop his criticism of the regional president. Khalif told Issa that he knew 68 members of an extended family of an activist abroad who were rounded up and put in jail.